wala akong kaalam-alam kung saan ako kukuha ng mga photographer, ng mga mag-aayos. Yun, sinabi lang sa akin ni Tito Chris. So yun nga, naghahanap lang ako ng malapit na venue. So para gusto ko kasi ma-invite yung family niya. Eh naisip ko dito na lang sa malapit. Tas yun nga, parang birthday surprise lang. Then yung plano, before dinner, proposal na.
Just know that you can always be with you as you go closer than you as you go.
Million man.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes na yes!
Yes daw!
Send home. Just know that I will always be with you as you go closer than you know.
Thankful din ako dahil andyan siya palagi. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you.